Yeah, he likes his Quaker oats. Look at that bird eat them oats. Huh? Yeah, what kind does he like? Oh, yeah. Look at Cracker eat his oatmeal. He's a healthy bird. Yeah. Look at that bird. Look at him. He's going to eat them oats. He sure is. He's a Quaker parrot. Yeah, he's a Quaker parrot. And he likes Quaker oats. Yeah. Eat them oats. Yeah. Let me see, eat those oats. Yeah, look at that bird. He's going to eat them oats. Yeah. Eat them Quaker oats. Look at that bird. He's going to eat the Quaker oats. Yeah. Yeah, look at that bird. See? He's eating his Quaker oats this morning. He's a healthy bird. Yep. Yeah, see? He's getting it. Yeah, he's got to have his Quaker oats. He's a hungry bird. He sure is. Look at that bird eat them Quaker oats. See? If everybody ate like my bird, they'd be healthy. That's right. Got to eat that in the morning. Yeah, see? He likes apple cinnamon. That's his favorite because he likes apples. And he knows apples are good for you. Yeah, because he's the big bird. You big bird. See, there's his tail. That's his routine, boy. He's got to have that in the morning. You gonna eat some more? Yeah, see, he's gonna get some more of them. Look at him. He's gonna get some more of them oats. Look at him. He's gonna eat them Quaker oats. Look at that bird eat them Quaker oats. Yeah, he's got his bowl of Quaker oats. Yeah, he's a good bird. Yeah. Yeah, look at that bird. I'll put him in there and he eats the stuff. Yep. Yeah. He's probably the only Quaker parrot that eats Quaker oats. You eating them Quaker oats? Yeah, he's a good bird. Well, that's all. Oh, you're going to get some more. Look, you're going to get some more. Yeah, you're going to get some more of them Quaker oats. Look at that bird eat that stuff. Yeah. He's a healthy bird. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah, there's them Quaker oats. Cinnamon. Yeah. He likes the cinnamon. Okay, I guess. Oh, he's still eating. Yeah, he's a good bird. Well, I think that's about it for me. Look at that bird eat that stuff. Look. Yeah, he's going to eat all them food. He's a Quaker parrot. He eats Quaker oats. Okay, everybody.